Welcome to the Commit to Print podcast, powered by Graphco, and we're very happy to have the president of Graphco, Chris Manley. Thanks for joining us, Chris.
Thanks for having me, Jim.
Graphco has been a leader in getting RMGT into the market. It has become one of the players, if you will, right, in the sheet-fed commercial offset space. And now there's some product news for packaging. Would you like to share that with us?
Be happy to. So recently our partners at RMGT have kind of followed our request to produce a machine that we now call the 970 PX model. What the PX brings, in addition to our other broad product line, is the ability to, on a 25 by 38 inch sheet, now manufacture up to a 31 point board, which provides us basically 99% of the entire packaging segment. The other thing that's really been beautifully received about this machine is that those sheets are processed in a mark-free manner. We of course are still the leader in LED, and so those sheets are cured, and we have either traditional UV, Eco UV, or LED in the delivery. But it's our feeling that as convergence becomes more and more important, a commercial printer's next press better have the capability to also do packaging. So this machine might not be strictly a packaging press. It could do commercial work 3 out of 5 days, but the other 2 days when you do your heavy board, does it beautifully.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much for giving us that update, Chris.
Glad to do it. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you.